Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by eliminating the easy causes. Clean the glass, remove any case or screen protector, and restart the phone so temporary glitches clear. Once done, check Settings Software Update and install any patch, because firmware bugs often trigger phantom touches. Next, boot into Safe Mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. Safe Mode disables non-essential apps so you can isolate the behavior. Make sure to watch the screen during boot to confirm whether Ghost Touch persists. If the issue remains, change touch-related options. Open Settings Display and toggle Touch Sensitivity or disable Accidental Touch to reduce false inputs. Then use Samsung Members Diagnostics or the phone app's hardware tests to map where touches register. This helps confirm whether the digitizer or software is at fault. Once you identify suspicious apps in Safe Mode, uninstall them one at a time and retest. If you've changed settings, reboot again and verify that calibration and sensitivity tweaks improved responsiveness. Back up your data before taking final measures. A factory reset can fix entrenched software causes, so perform Reset Factory Data Reset only after backups and testing. Make sure to inspect the phone for physical damage, a warped frame, or moisture trapped under the glass. Such issues often require digitizer or screen replacement. If the reset doesn't help, contact Samsung or an authorized repair center for replacement under warranty or paid service. Quick tip: if Ghost Touch appears after a drop, prioritize hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.